Hey guys, what's up? It's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how I got my first PR package. I literally got it 30 minutes ago and I just wanted to sit down and film this video and share with you guys how I got it. I wasn't really trying to get it, but everyone likes free products and I wanted to share this information with you guys and hopefully help you guys out. First, I want to start this video off by thanking Ranvu for sending me this phone case. I really like it. It's super durable. It has these black bumpers and I love that it's clear on the back. My other case, if you saw my video, is all black. I really like simple things, so I love that this is simple, but I can also decorate it and put like a Polaroid in the back of it because I do have a Polaroid camera. My biggest thing with phone cases is that I want it to protect my phone. I didn't spend like $800 on a new phone just to like crack it so I can have a cute case, and I love that this is cute, but it also keeps my phone from breaking and cracking. So how I got this phone case, I don't know if any of you guys have seen my iPhone unboxing video, but that is my most viewed video on this channel. I think it has like a little over 4,000 views, which is how the company messaged me. They found me on Instagram. I include my Instagram in the description box, which then allows them a way to find you and contact you if they want. Don't put your address because you don't want creepy people showing up. I think that's pretty obvious, but just so you know, don't do that if you're trying to get free stuff. So they messaged me on Instagram. They're like, we saw your iPhone unboxing video and we'd love to send you an iPhone case. And I was like, yes, thank you so much. Here's my address, and I would feature them in my next video. You know, either way, I was gonna like talk about them and share it with you guys, but I'm not saying that it's a great case just because they sent it to me. I actually really like it and I'm going to use it. And it like actually feels very durable and very protective and strong, and I honestly like didn't have super high expectations because like I don't really have a following at all, so I didn't really know what I was gonna get, but I'm very happily surprised. And this just goes to show that like anyone can be sent something, because look at, like, I don't have that many subscribers or views. So I think things that I did that sort of set me apart and that made them want to send me things is that I did do a video on an Apple product and an iPhone, which are some of the most viewed videos. It got me more views than any of my other videos, like my more creative ones, which I love making, and those are super fun. And I do like these sit-down videos too and sharing information with you guys, but definitely as I'm growing my channel, doing videos that I know are going to do well is sort of a strategy that I'm using, if that works. Another thing is that I was talking about another product in my video, and in my videos I'm not constantly talking about products, but if I like something, like I'll just say like, yeah, I really like this product from blah blah blah. And I think that companies, they're looking for advertisement. So if you're already willing and just sharing what you love and products that you like, they're going to want to send it to you because they're like, you're going to love our product and then you're going to talk about us on your channel. So if you're actually passionate about things and it fits into your video, say if you're doing your makeup routine, say I love this foundation, you're probably not going to get your like Maybelline or your Tarte Cosmetics to like send you something unless you're like, have like 1 million subscribers. Also leaving it kind of broad where I was talking about my iPhone, and there are lots of things that could like be used with an iPhone, like an aux cord, charging cables, wireless charger, a phone case, pop socket. There are many accessories that could be used, and that sort of open the door, I guess, when you're talking about something like that. Another thing I would say is that if a company does send you something, I thank them on my Instagram. I put them on my story and it's like, thank you for sending this to me. You should always be thankful, and here I'm sharing their phone case, and it is because I genuinely really like them, and they also did me a huge favor and sent me a phone case, which is really cool. I just want to make sure that they're happy with how the whole interaction worked and that I am very thankful. Okay, sorry if you guys are sort of moved. My memory card ran out of memory. I'm having all sorts of problems with it today. So ultimately, I just wanted to come on, make this really quick video and share with you guys how I got my first PR package. I hope that this video helped you in some way, and I just want to encourage everyone to continue making amazing content because you're eventually going to be recognized. YouTube is a creative outlet. For a lot of people, it is a business too, but I really think that if you stick to doing what you love and if you work hard at it, that eventually you will be recognized for your creativity and your videos. So yeah, that was kind of off topic, but I just wanted to say that. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.
If you're not liking and subscribing, then get the f*** off this channel.